Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and whenever you try to make any transaction on your iPhone or iPad, you face this type of message that please contact with iTunes support to complete the transaction. So let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first you have to go back, and the very first step is that you have to check your network. It might be a network issue, so you can easily fix it with refreshing your network. Or the second step is that connect or contact with iTunes support. So let's start the first one. Scroll down your control center, and here you have to make sure that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with the network settings. Then go for settings app here, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you are connected any VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go back, go for date and time setting and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. After that, go back, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending software update, try to update your software, and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data, so you can simply try this, and after doing that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. Or if it's still not fixed, so you just have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install Apple Support app using your App Store, or you can also use Apple Support web. So from here, you have to select your iPhone. So select your iPhone from here and then select more option. Now look for iTunes Support. Here's the iTunes Store. You just have to tap on it, and here you just wait for a moment and then select get more help option. Then select call us. Now you'll find the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get a few help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.